I like trying to be open to my subscribers and followers. Going through a little bit of a tough, rough patch in my life. I had a family member die recently. Rest in peace to my tita. But my family needs me right now, and my mind's been in a jumble. I've been dealing with other stuff too. You know, life be lifing. So I do apologize for being a little bit late, or because I'm excited to see T.O.P, Big Bang at Coachella. I don't know. When my family needs me, they don't always ask for help. I don't usually ask for help, but when they ask for help, I come through. There's probably gonna be some. I'm not gonna do as much live streams as I do on Twitch. Those who watch me on Twitch, I'm gonna pre-record some videos. Just whether it be on Patreon or even on YouTube. Usually during these times, when I'm going through something, I usually look for things that make me happy. For me, things that make me happy is like, I guess, entertaining y'all as much as I can. I don't know. It's a weird, I don't know, man. I've done it when I was young. When I first started YouTube, I was going through some stuff, and then you guys being there meant so much to me. And watching T.O.P, I've been wanting to watch this. I finally had the time to finally watch this. I saw that T.O.P posted me on his story. I'm in the little corner. Appreciate you, bruh. I'm saying it like I know you. I don't know you, but I'm a fan, of course. So that in itself is pretty dope. I've been doing this for so long, y'all. It's kind of crazy how long I've been doing this, but and it's dope to see the transformations of the K-pop world. And now we're back at T.O.P with his album, which is crazy, by the way. I broke down the lyrics in my Patreon. It's up for free. It's been a journey. Hey man, life could be a journey. Anyways, let's check out T.O.P Studio54, which I've been waiting to check out because he'd be like, this is basically his journal. And we're just listening with open ears. And I love every honest, gritty detail about it too. T.O.P Studio54. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. This is a teaser, right? And it's with Nana, right? From After School. Former member of After School. Okay, he trying to hypnotize us. Ooh. Yellow. VIP. Y'all already know. Whoa. I already heard this so many times. Ooh. Oh, it's gonna hit so hard. Bruh. Ooh. Hey. Oh. And that's Nana herself, I'm guessing. Ooh, the colorway. Hold on, let me see that again. Sorry, I had to adjust the volume for a bit. Ooh. It's like psychedelic. Oh. Wait. Oh. Is that Slender Man? Who that? What is this art, bro? Oh, I just realized that the eyes were there. What an interesting edit. Ooh. Her the way she looks reminds me of like Uma Thurman, like Pulp Fiction era. What I love you. Oh, his way with words and lyrics.
Not too bad. I've cut him off. Bang, bang. You know what I'm saying, boy?
Damn. Oh. 미쳤어. 미쳤어. Hey, hey. Oh, that is T.O.P in there.
There's another mix showing his Da Vinci Smart.
Wait, what? What is happening? It's going to ADHD like that. The second half of that ADHD. No, sorry, another dimension. Holy dude. Damn, this should go hard though. I really want to hear this live. Bump. Ooh, hey, what is this? Hey. Oh, those are the eyes. Oh, no, 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 yeah. Ah! Ah! Wait, that's crazy. Okay, wait. First of all, those are eyeballs, and he's this is the part for Dirty Son. What does he mean by Dirty Son? Because there's so many versions of it. Obviously, he could be talking about Burning Sun. Are they chewing that? Wait, the gun holster does remind me of like Reservoir Dogs. Ooh. Dirty son, my soul. Damn, this kind of is giving like a bit of like a Pulp Fiction vibe or like Quentin Tarantino type of movie, no? That's what it feels like. That shit trippy. Ain't y'all not tripping? Cause I've been tripping right now, like especially the audition for let me see, Top and Nana, Jackpot, holy shit. Okay. Shout out to the coloring, editing. Shout out to the gaffer. I feel like the gaffer needs more love. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Shout out to the team T.O.P, Top Spot Pictures. Oh, they even got like the ats. Tiki Taka Official. Wow. Dang. This is a crazy music video. Wow. That was crazy. That was some raw shit, bro. That was some raw shit. I loved it. I need to run it back. That was some raw shit, man. It's just so interesting seeing the growth in of like obviously T.O.P. He's older, but like in music terms too. The thing is that I don't even think this is considered even K-pop or it's just him. It's so trippy. Okay, so is this guy in a mask like his past self? Does it represent somebody else? See, I'm not the one to break down things like that. I need help. I'm slow. Like he gives like the drink to Top. Are they the same person though? I'm guessing Nana and Top. because they're drinking the same thing, or they. You need me, but I just want to be free. Ooh. Walking away from you kind of feels sweet. Yeah, it's supposed to be. Yeah, what the fuck? That's crazy work. That was crazy. I know I went through this lyric wise, but it just hits differently with the visuals, and that's what I love about music videos. You can express it in a different way. 미쳤어. 가기가기 지켜 상처많은 나의 fans 어머니처럼 날 걱정하던 내 ex-girlfriends 바닥 구두에서 traded product kicks for these Vans. I guess like they're saying like traded like that lifestyle, that pop star lifestyle when he was in Big Bang for these Vans, even though they're Vans, they're like basic. I think I heard this from like the when I was like breaking down the lyrics. Somebody was breaking down this for me. It's like Vans are like not Prada, but they're definitely durable. You know, they're, you know, they do that job. They're, you know, playing level field. I don't know if that's the word, but you know what I mean. See, this is why I don't break down shit. I'm just that guy that just gets lit and stuff, but I do want to understand it. That verse right there too. Sorry, but I love Bang, say less.
Not too bad, I've cut him off. Bang, bang.
You know what I'm saying, boy?
I'm saying, boy.
Wait. That's crazy. That's crazy. I mean, obviously that's a, like inner like meaning towards it. Like, you know, I cut off, you know, the members, even though the members are promoting the album. I mean, it's still love, you know, but I feel like that life of him being from Big Bang, maybe he, you know, and all the people like saying like, you know, when are you coming back? When are you come back? He's like, I'm done. I'm in a different part of my life. I mean, you can't take the artist away from him though. It's good seeing Nana too.
There's another mix showing his Da Vinci smart.
This part's crazy. Under this blazing sun, left them old thoughts. It's so crazy. I love it. Damn, he going in. Okay.
내 토끼고 아주 빵빵한 이야기꾼 살짝 열어볼까 판도라 상자 속 잡동사니고 내 토끼고 길이 달라 볼리 던지고 완전 보내버릴 수도 있지 던지고 눈을 감고 들자 잊고.
Jesus, and right back to like Studio 54. Dirty sun, just ruined my soul. That's why I create new moon inspiration. Dirty sun, they just ruined my soul. That's why I got great new moon inspiration. Dirty sun, they just ruined my soul. That's why I create new moon inspiration. This does remind me of Reservoir Dogs. So you put duct tape over that person.
Dirty sun, they just ruined my soul. That's where I got great new moon inspiration. Dirty sun, they just ruined
He's always wearing headphones too.
my soul.
This character.
That's where I got great new moon. 완전미쳤어.
Ring. Damn. All right, y'all. Put the comments down below what you guys think. Oh my God, there's so much to unpack. I even after this, I'm probably gonna go like dive into this even more because it feels like a music video that is just to dive into because it's, first of all, it's a piece of artwork. It's his mind in a visual format, which is amazing. I was gonna say crazy amazing. I mean, like that's the theme right now. But I love that he added that part of ADHD or another dimension, holy dude, with like 8 exclamation points. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy. A lot going on right now at the moment, so. But this was a nice, like, I don't want to say like distraction, but like it's something I always look forward to is like checking out this music video itself, and definitely having a good time here. I'm definitely gonna dive in more into this. All right, y'all. Be sure to check out the Patreon where I do my first listen over there. Yeah, bro. I think this is like more of a. This wasn't even a music video. This was a piece of art, bro. It's just like him. Unapologetically, is that the correct term? I don't. Nana looked great still, man. I haven't seen Nana in so long during orange caramel days, after school days, bruh. So people would like to say, I don't know, like new fans. Sorry, I keep on rambling, but like I feel like new fans are gonna think like T.O.P is like weird. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I get it. I mean, if you're going against the norm and not the trend, it is weird, quote unquote. But I just think he wears his heart on his sleeve, and he's just being honest. He's just talking this talk. Hey, be sure to like this video if you were a T.O.P fan or T.O.P fan before Thanos from Squid Games. Like this video. And if you discovered T.O.P through Thanos and his acting, I mean, dope. Even more people to enjoy his music.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.